is attached to the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
1 f***ing minute late. Son of a...
special marine warning for.
On Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The gust front was located along a line extending from 24 nautical miles north.
Wait, what did it say? Wind gust 34 knots or greater.
Answer. Wind gust 34 knots. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willowick, Fairport Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Wow. Also, is the... Alright, let's turn that back up to high. There we go. Awesome. Well, f*** you, Cleveland, for sending out that random special marine warning.
In other news, Facebook confirms data was stolen, doesn't plan to notify the 533 million users.
What?
Great. Thanks, Facebook.
What's going on? Hold up.
I deleted my account on there. Well, I can't log into my own account. This is great.
Okay, that's a bit random.
Use the symptom checker at identifyepi.com and schedule a visit or call with your doctor to ask, could I have EPI?
Could I have a monthly test or weekly test, please?
Radio for Medical Frontiers with Dr. Gerald Piper from the Allegheny.
Could I have a weekly test, please?
From 7 to 8 p.m. Dr. Piper and his special guests will cover the information that you want to know about your health and the latest trends.
Weekly test, please.
Following is a
Thank you.
EAS.
What? Wow, a little late there.
The alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Delay there. At least you got to listen to a little more of the song, but come on, man. Shouldn't take that long. Alright.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Alright, that's out of the way.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially grid receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the no weather radio warning alarm. The test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service for Northeast Inland Ohio. Today, rain, patchy fog, much cooler with highs in the lower 60s.
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Eagle Creek above Findlay until late tonight. At 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, the stage was 8.7 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage this afternoon to 9.2 feet late this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage this evening to 3.5 feet and begin rising again late tomorrow evening. It will rise to 3.6 feet early Saturday morning. It will then fall to 3.5 feet and begin rising again late Saturday morning. It will then rise again but remain below flood stage. Impact at 9.0 feet. Eagle Creek will overrun its banks and begin to inundate portions of Fremont and Graceland Avenue. Water will inundate a field near Rosemont Drive. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River area until late tonight. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, the stage was 9.3 feet. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage to a crest of 9.8 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Impact at 9.5 feet. In Southwest area, Carmel Township along Woodside Drive. The forecast for north central Ohio.
Wasn't expecting
Tonight,
that.
cloudy early. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Eagle Creek at Fairline Station until Saturday morning. At 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 9.3 feet. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 9.9 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Impact at 9.5 feet. Barkley and Messerly Road south of the Warren Airport in Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. The forecast for
Totally forgot about the fact that I was recording. Oh, sheesh. Freeze warning! Freeze warning! Freeze warning! What the frick is this? What is this? What is this? What